If we have a regular customer who already tried all the flavors of our boba shop, that would be Miss Kathy.
Yeah, I saw those. I'm like, that's Smathers Beach.
Yeah, she got married there. Her mom could come for her. There you go. And no sugar, Miss Kathy. Like always. Of course, Miss Kathy.
Get the store the other from New Zealand. Yeah, well, they come delete it.
I feel you,
It
Miss
tastes like
Kathy.
honey.
I
It
feel
doesn't
you.
taste, but it's supposed to be like a healing, more healing.
Gonna come to they are going to allow this from today. Like he's just gonna trim it. Honey.
Cheese foam garnish or cake cream?
Cake cream.
Oh, cheese foam. That sounds too healthy to him. Cake? Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. Try. Is you putting in there? Try.
That's good.
Okay.
Not bad. Let's see if it's the same in the picture. Okay. Yeah.
And it's good with.
Yeah, I would like this with sugar.
Yeah.
It's a little too gingery. Thank you, Miss Kathy.
Perfect. Thank you.
You like it?
It's good, man.
Yes, good. That's
Yeah.
like a picture. Almost a spitting image. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kathy. See you later.
Yeah.